You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this condition. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, including from medicine, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you coming up. Pronounced in English as systemic lupus. Now in Latin it would be lupus, but in English lupus, systemic lupus, and then the hard one, erythematosus. Erythematosus. Overall, known as SLE, systemic lupus erythematosus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.